We are going to discuss the difference between the mole and the molecule. And to clarify the difference between them, we will get some examples. The first example is H2O, which is water. What is the molecular weight of H2O? The molecular weight can be written as the molar mass. Its abbreviation is M. So, what is the molar mass or the molecular weight of H2O? As you know, that H, the atomic mass of H hydrogen, is 1, and we have 2 atoms in the molecule, so 1 times 2. The atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So, the molecular weight is the summation of the atomic masses in the molecule. So, 2 plus 16 is 18. So, if we get 18 grams of water, so how many moles do we have? Yes, we have only 1 mole. So we express the molecular weight in grams. So the mole is the molecular weight or the molar mass expressed in grams. Okay, if we get another mass for H2O, if we get, for example, 9 grams for H2O. So how many moles do we have? Yes, we have only 0.5 mole. How we calculate this? By dividing 9 over 18. 9 over 18. So what's 9 and what's 18? 9 is the mass and 18 is the molar mass. So number of moles is equals mass over molar mass, or M. Okay, if we have, for example, 36 grams of H2O. So how many moles do we have? By applying this rule, number of moles equals mass over molar mass. The mass is 36, the molar mass is 18, so we have 2 moles. We have only 2 moles. Okay. Regarding to number of molecules, how many molecules in this 18 grams? If we calculate or counted the number of molecules in this 1 mole, we will find it 6.023 times 10 to the power 23. The scientist who discovered this number is called Avogadro. So this number is called Avogadro's number. Its abbreviation is Na. So any mole contains only Avogadro's number of molecules. So how many molecules in this 9 grams of H2O? Yes, half this number, which is Avogadro's number, divided 2. And similarly, for 36 grams, for 2 moles, how many molecules do we have? We have 2 times Avogadro's number. So the number of molecules can be calculated as number of moles times Avogadro's number. Let's get another example. The caustic soda or sodium hydroxide, NaOH. What is the molecular weight of NaOH? Na is 23, oxygen is 16, H is 1. So the molecular weight is the summation of them, which is equal to 40. So if we have 40 grams, how many moles do we have? Yes, only 1 mole. How did you calculate it? By dividing 40 over 40. What is the difference between 40 in the numerator and 40 in the denominator? The numerator regards to mass and denominator regards to molar mass. So how many molecules do we have in this 1 mole? Yes, also Avogadro's number, which is 6.023 times 10 to the power 23. If we have 12.046 times 10 to the power 23 of molecules, so how many moles do we have? Yes, we have 2 moles. How did you find it? By dividing number of molecules over Avogadro's number. So number of moles can be written also as number of molecules divided Avogadro's number. Right. How many grams do we have in these 2 moles? Yes, we have 80 grams. How did you find it? By applying this rule. Number of moles equal mass over molar mass. The molar mass is given as 40. The mass is unknown. And number of moles is 2. So 2 times 40 equals to 80 grams. The last example, if we have only 20 grams, how many moles do we have? How many moles and how many molecules? The number of moles is simply mass over molar mass, and the mass is 20. The molar mass is 40, so we have only 0.5 mole, and the number of molecules is Avogadro's number, yes, times number of moles, which is 0.5. So we have only 0.5 of Avogadro's number of molecules, and this is the difference between the mole and the molecule. Thank you.